Another simple sharpening effect involves the high pass filter. It must be applied to a duplicate layer for this effect, so let's begin with that step. I'm going to click and drag on the layer and drop it onto this icon, which will duplicate the layer. Making sure I have that layer selected, I'm going to go up to the filter and select Other, High Pass. Viewing it at 100% in the window here, you can just barely see the edges of the picture showing here. I'm going to crank it up a little bit so you can see it. What you want is to set your radius so those edges are just barely visible. Usually it's between 0.5 and 1 pixel. I'm going to go maybe just a little bit more than that so that when we're on screen you'll be able to see it a little more clearly. But in general you're usually in that range. Click OK. Next you're going to change the layer blending mode from normal to overlay. Now, when we zoom in on the image, we can zoom in to 100% by clicking the zoom tool and then clicking actual pixels. Move that over a bit to see a little more clearly. There we can see there's been some sharpening applied. I'll turn the layer on and off so you can see the effect. See, quite a bit of sharpening has been applied to the image. Now I could adjust the opacity of that, bring it down a little bit more if it's too much. I could also put a layer mask on that same layer and mask off parts of the image. Say if I just wanted this mask or say someone's eyes to be sharper than the rest, I could take my brush and painting with black, I've got a fairly big brush already selected, I could paint with black around there and reduce the sharpening effect and localize it pretty much any part of the image that I want. So, it's a quick and easy way to do sharpening in Photoshop.